Hello everyone. So a lot of you have asked me about my process, and let's just jump right into it. I start with a bit of brainstorming on what I want to make and write some notes. After this, I do some storyboarding. So whatever my idea is, I try to draw some of it. I'm using Procreate here. I just have an iPad, so I use Procreate here to just bring the ideas to life a little bit before I go into the imaging. And this is the part where I'm just forming the concept, and I really love this part. Here you can see a little bit of storyboarding and what I'm imagining for this video. I was thinking I wanted to make seafood video with a beautiful island with like blue waters, and yeah, so here I'm just adding some scenes other than food where we are having a kid fly a kite on the seaside or on the beach, or a person just sitting having some fun throwing stones in the water. So yeah, you can see that this part is where the story starts. Next, I use Gemini. This is a paid version, so I use a paid version, and I use the storyboarded image to generate a image. And this is the kind of prompt that I'm using, and you can see that I am okay. Yeah, so you can see that it will generate an image, and sometimes it does not generate the image that you want, but yeah, I really liked it. I wanted blue sky, blue sea, and a nice orange kite. So yeah, I like this image, and I usually store it in folders, so it's very important that you have folders here. Next, I also write what visuals I want in Notion, or like whatever note taker you have, and have references for your prompts. Here I'm using OpenArt. With OpenArt, you can select whatever dimension that you want for your video, or the how many seconds you want to generate your video for. And you have a lot of models here on OpenArt. So you have Sedance, OmniFlash, Kling. I really like Sedance for shorts, but for long videos I do enjoy OmniFlash. And here I want to start with the image that I had, the kite flying one. So I will simply bring the image and upload it here. As you can see, I already have a lot of projects that I worked on, and I'll bring this image here. And yeah, I really love OpenArt. Okay, so this is cute, and I've generated my video. So here I've written a prompt because this is my master prompt. It's not visible, but essentially what you want to do is just tell the what you are hoping for. So it could be a boy running down the beach with a orange kite flying. We want some wave sounds. We want some beautiful sea sounds. So that's what you can add to the prompt, and you can also add like ASMR, so it just really helps. So this is the clip that I have, and yeah, so this way you can generate your images and your videos. The next thing that I do is I use CapCut, and I bring in all of my clips in CapCut. This is where a lot of work is done, because you really need to figure out the storyline, and you want to improve the quality of your video. So I use a lot of maybe sometimes I use filters. I enhance the quality of the video. I enhance the sounds. So here I like to layer some sounds as well, and within CapCut you can add a lot of other features as well. So yeah, so here you want to figure out like which scene to put first, what to add, and this is the part of creative process where you can be really bring your creativity to life really, and you want to figure out which scene comes first, which is the second one, and how do you want to layer sounds. This is really important because for my videos, users really need to figure out a good soundscape, because that's what essentially brings the user to the along with the visuals. All of the viewers want to experience this. I use the sounds from Envato, so you can search for the sounds that you need. It could be a water splash, it could be a wave sound, and then as you can see, I'm doing a bit of work here. So I just wanted to show what my process looks like. If I make a 10 minutes video, it can take me maybe more than 10 hours or more, even 20 hours to make a video. My goal is to give the best visuals and give you guys the best quality really, and this is where like all of the magic is. So hopefully you really enjoyed this. I will link all of the tools that I use in my description. Thank you for watching and take care.